Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use AliExpress flash deals and limited time offers for big discounts. So now let's get started. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your mobile device or log in using the website. Now here on the app, tap on the sales section. Now here, browse through the limited time offers and use discounts on popular products. Now simply add the items to your cart and proceed to checkout before the deal ends. So that's it. Now you can score amazing deals in no time. So this is how to use AliExpress flash deals and limited time offers for big discounts. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.